Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I am in the mood for blues and a gold, and I think I want to go big. So, what I'm thinking is I'm going to do a blue creation, and I don't want just one colour, I don't just want two colours, but I want three colours on the base, and then a combination of colours on top. So, I'm going to use a Dutch pour style. I'm going to use just paint and water. Wish me luck. And I'm excited to see what we can create. I hope you join me. Okay, so I'm using 4 different brands. I'm using Amsterdam, De La Rowney, Liquitex and Pebeo. And I'm just using paint and water for this Dutch pour. So as you can see, I'm using Brilliant Blue, King's Blue, Prussian Blue Hue, Light Permanent Blue, then we're going for the Iridescent Gold and the Iridescent Blue Black. Okay, so A1 size, it's approximately, here's the measurements, approximately 84 centimetres by 59 centimetres. So it's an A1 here in the UK. I don't know if the A1 size differs around the world, but that's the kind of size I'm working with today. So the intention is, and I always try and plan out before I start pouring, I want 3 different base coats on this one. So I've mixed up my paints, just paint and water, and I'm going to have a large kind of sky blue section here, and then I'm going to have another 2 different blue tones here. So I'm going to have one about here and then one about here, and then I'm going to have a line of colour going right across the canvas here and going down from the middle to the edge here. So I'll be able to kind of blow those out in each direction. So the block of colour here, I'm going to have a light blue. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get those base colours on my canvas, and then I will layer the colours as I go. So let's get that base on now. That's taken me a while to lay the base. There's a lot of air bubbles, so I am just going to get rid of those air bubbles now. But as you can see, what I've tried to do is I've tried to keep the 3 sections separate. And then I'm literally going to lay the colours along this line here and along this line down here, and then blow them out. So, the fun. I'm going to, I think, go with the blue black first. Just going to lay all along that line. And the idea is to blow that out. Okay. And then I'm going to go for phthalo blue. Don't forget to go down there. Do I want to go up there? No. gorgeous gold. So I'm going to use the gold. So use a little bit of this blue here, and then use some of the sky blue down here. So I'm going to blow it out like this. Do I want one going up there? Tell you what, let's do it. Let's do that. Let's do that. Right, so a bit more of the sky blue here to help that blow out. A bit along here, let that blow out. Okay, then this one is here. That one is just Are we ready? I'm ready. I'm going to torch to get rid of the bubbles. Let's do it. Okay, so there we go. All blues with a bit of gold. I really do like it. I'm not sure if this area here is a bit too much. So I'm going to scrape some of that off just here. What I'm conscious of though is I've got a large area here of negative space and an area here of negative space. So by not having as much here, I think maybe the composition is okay. What I'll do is I'll take you in for a closer look. So it dried really well, and I love this creation. And I think what I love about it is 3 different colours on the base with all the different colours on top, and I think that's really working for this piece. And it's dry, and I've managed to varnish it as well. So here we go, and you can see all that gold kind of glistening and shining. I am so happy with this. Can you see? I think you can see the gold glistening through. And the colours I chose for that base, I'm in love with this piece, guys. I really love it. So I'm happy with it. What I'll do is I'll take you in for a closer look. But yeah, I think I would say this is probably one of my best pieces of work for a while. So I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for joining me, and have a great week. Bye.